The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 won't greatly enhance battery life, according to reports. Samsung is set to introduce its next-generation foldables in July. The Fold 7's battery will continue to be 4,400 mAh, much like the Fold 3, Fold 4, and Fold 5. The Flip 7 is said to be just 100 mAh shy of the Fold's battery capacity, which puts it closer to the latter's dimensions. Tech Outlook discovered a UL Demco certification listing that has this information. The Fold series, which was once renowned for its inventiveness and ability to push limits, has reached a standstill. Since the release of the Fold 3, battery life has not much improved. Given their disparate sizes, it seems insane that there may be a situation where Samsung's two foldables are just 100 mAh apart if these claims are true. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Flip 7 are both allegedly in production and are set to reach stores shortly. Initially, Samsung had intended to start manufacturing in May, but they have met that deadline. With a 40% reduction in manufacturing goals this year, Samsung is, however, halting development of the Fold 7. This is because, although sales were solid but not outstanding, the folding market did not take off as some had anticipated. Chinese companies are gaining the lead with smaller foldables, denser batteries, more RAM, and all at a cheaper price point than Samsung, which used to have a reputation for taking big risks. The Galaxy Note 7 scandal may have had a lasting impact on Samsung's battery technology strategy, which is why the firm is being cautious. The Fold 7 could be a solid phone, but it won't be very thin, according to a recent claim that the Fold Saturn will be 8.2 millimeters thick when folded. All things considered, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is looking to be a better version of its predecessor. Samsung is balancing a number of objectives, including preparing the Galaxy S25 Edge, choosing between Snapdragon and Exynos for the Flip 7, and creating a potential trifold phone. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.